Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Oppo Reno 11 Pro 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to remove SIM cards from your phone Oppo Reno 11 Pro 5G. First of all, go to the bottom side of your phone and see here, this is SIM tray hole. Okay, in this hole you go to insert SIM ejector tool and push down into the hole. This SIM tray will be coming out. Just take it out from your phone. And yes, if you have inserted SIM card, they will be showing here, and you can just remove SIM card. Okay, yes, I have removed SIM cards, and place your SIM tray in the position here. Okay, here just insert. Yes, SIM cards have been removed from my phone. In this way, you can easily remove SIM cards in your phone Oppo Reno 11 Pro 5G. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.